Hello guys, this is Abdullah Bashuri, the math teacher. In this video, I'm going to explain to you SOH CAH TOA. Now, here we have a right angle triangle, and if this angle theta or x, the side opposite this angle, a straight line, is called opposite, and the side opposite the right angle is called hypotenuse. The side next to the angle x or theta is called adjacent. Now, here we have SOH CAH TOA. Now, sine x equal opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine x equal adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan x equal opposite over adjacent. Now, here we have the angle is 43, and here we have a right angle triangle. The side is opposite the right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. X is hypotenuse, and the side next to the angle 43 is called adjacent. Here adjacent is unknown. We don't want it. Here we have the side opposite angle 43 is called opposite. Now here we have opposite and hypotenuse and the angle 43. We use SOH. Now sine 43 equal opposite is 8 and hypotenuse is unknown x. Now 1 cross multiplication 8 equal sine 43 times x divided by sine 43 divided by sine 43. Now in calculator 8 divided by sine 43 x equal 11.73. Now here we have the angle is 32. Here we have the opposite is unknown. We don't want it. And this is the right angle triangle. The side is opposite is called hypotenuse. 18 is hypotenuse, and the side next to 32 is called adjacent. Now here you have adjacent and hypotenuse. Now we use CAH because I have adjacent and hypotenuse. We want to find adjacent and we have hypotenuse, and the opposite is unknown. Now cosine x equal adjacent over hypotenuse. Cosine x equal adjacent is x and لا no cosine 32 here, sorry. Adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 18. Now cross multiplication, x equal cosine 32 times 18. Now in calculator, cosine 32 times 18, x equal 15.26. Now here we have the angle 56. Here right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle triangle, hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is unknown, no number. Here we have the side opposite the angle 56 is opposite, and the side next to 56 is adjacent. Adjacent equal 10. Now we use 10 because I have opposite. I want to find opposite, and I have adjacent. Now tan 56 equal opposite is x and adjacent over adjacent is 10. Now cross multiplication, x equal tan 56 times 10. Now in calculator, tan 56 times 10, x equal 14.82. Now here we have the angle x is unknown, and I have the side is opposite angle x is called opposite. This side is opposite is equal 6, and here we have right angle. The side opposite the right angle is called hypotenuse. Here we have hypotenuse is equal 12, and the side next to angle x is called adjacent. Now I want to find x. Here adjacent is no number, is unknown. I don't want it. I have opposite and hypotenuse. Now we use SOH because I have opposite and hypotenuse. Now sine x equal opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 6 over hypotenuse is 12. Now x equal sine to the power of -1 open bracket 6 over 12. Now we did this because the angle x is the unknown. We did this because the angle x is the unknown. Now x equal, in the calculator, if you want to write sine to the power of -1 in the calculator, we write shift sine. Now x equal, in calculator, shift sine 6 over 12 is 30. Now I want to find x. Here we have x. Here we have right angle. Here we have the hypotenuse, side opposite the right angle, hypotenuse, and the side next to x, adjacent, and here we have opposite. And opposite, no number is unknown, we don't want it, and I have hypotenuse and adjacent. We used CAH because I have adjacent and I have hypotenuse. Now cosine x equal adjacent is 16 over 22 is hypotenuse. Now x equal cosine to the power of minus 1 open bracket 16 over 22. In calculator, shift cosine 16 over 22 is equal 43.341. Now, if I have x here, the side is opposite the angle x is called opposite. Opposite is equal 14. And here we have right angle. The hypotenuse is not the change. This is the hypotenuse because the side opposite the right angle is called hypotenuse. And the side next to angle x is called adjacent. Here hypotenuse is unknown, we don't want it. I want to find x. I have adjacent and opposite. Now we use the TOA tan x because I have opposite and adjacent. Now tan x equal opposite 14 over adjacent 9 x equal tan minus 1 open bracket 14 over 9 x equal in calculator shift tan 14 over 9 is equal 0.027. This is the final answer. Thank you.